Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best sharpening stones for kitchen knives on Amazon. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these sharpening stones, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright viewers, so the first sharpening stone that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got Smith's Arkansas Tri-Hone Sharpening Stone System. The next sharpening stone that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Whetstone Cutlery Knife Sharpening Stone. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the Lansky Sharpening Puck. The next sharpening stone we're going to show you guys today, coming in at number 2 on our list, we've got the Finew Knife Sharpening Stone Kit. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Sharp Pebble Premium Knife Sharpening Stone. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which sharpening stone you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.